In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Trustpilot reviews on your Wix website. Trustpilot reviews are a great way to showcase the quality and reliability of your business, adding credibility and fostering trust with your potential customers. Let's dive right in and go over the process step by step, ensuring you have everything you need to effectively integrate this feature. To begin, make sure you're logged into your Wix account and land on the Wix dashboard. Start by heading over to the left-hand menu where you'll see an option labeled Apps. Clicking here will direct you toward the next important part of our journey. It's important to remember that this section is where you can manage and add various functionalities to your website, enhancing its performance and user experience. Once you're in the Apps section, your next move is to find the App Market. This is essentially the central hub for all available applications that can be integrated into your Wix site. The App Market offers a range of useful tools, and today we're focused on one in particular. In the search bar that appears, type in Trustpilot and hit Enter. Trustpilot is widely recognized for its unbiased customer reviews, making it an excellent choice for enhancing your website's credibility. Be sure to select Trustpilot reviews from the search results. This app is specifically designed to easily integrate Trustpilot's review features right into your website, which can help convert website visitors into customers by showcasing real feedback from your past clients. Next, having selected the Trustpilot Reviews app, you'll notice a button that says Add to Site. Click on this button to start the installation process. It's straightforward and doesn't require any complicated configurations. You're almost done, so keep going. After clicking Add to Site, a confirmation pop-up should appear, prompting you to click on Add once more. This final step confirms your action and initiates the integration process with your Wix site. The addition of this app integrates seamlessly, automatically updating with the latest reviews from your Trustpilot account. Now, with the Trustpilot Review app added, it's in your hands to configure how and where the reviews will appear on your site. This could be on your homepage or perhaps a dedicated testimonials page. It's entirely up to you and your stylistic preferences. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully added Trustpilot reviews to your Wix website. You've taken a significant step towards enhancing trust and encouraging engagement with potential customers. If you encounter any issues or have questions, Wix offers comprehensive support to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for getting Trustpilot reviews onto your site. Happy building!